Merry Christmas, everybody. The time has come for the National Tea Day Tea Discovery Box Festivities Edition unboxing, and I, Diaz, have the pleasure of doing it. So, what do we have in this beautiful box? I can't wait. This is so exciting. So first of all, we have the Disney Princess Cup, and this is by the English Ladies Tea Company. Oh, so delicate and fragile, yet so beautiful. I don't know if you can see inside there, but you've got the beautiful, we have the Jasmine edition here. So you've got the beautiful Jasmine image, and then you have the beautiful saucer as well. Okay, and then you get this amazing guide. Now, I'm not going to open this and show you what's inside here, but we have created some beautiful tea pairings, cocktails, mocktails, and recipes for you to enjoy this Christmas. First of all, we have the Tea Discovery Collection Fruity Blend box. So we wanted to provide something that was fruity and tasty and fun during the festive season. And if you give me a moment, I will try to pry this open to show you what's inside. So this is the Tea Discovery Collection Fruity Blend box. So within this, you've got 5 beautiful fruity teas. You've got Chai of Madagascar. You've got Hibiscus Bora Bora. You've got Apple and Ginger. A beautiful Mango Mocktail Tea. And a Sencha and Goji Berry Tea. Next, it's Christmas after all. We have got the beautiful Tea Makers of London Christmas Tea Blend. Absolutely exquisite. Wow, look at all those fruits, look at all those spices. That literally smells like Christmas in a caddy. And then next, oh my God, this is so exciting. I'm like a little child at the moment. Okay, Nazani Tea Magical Mallow Flower Tea. So this is the magical Disney box after all. So we wanted to give you a little bit of magic. So this is a herbal tea, and it's called mallow flower. Now, mallow flower is absolutely incredible. And when you brew this with hot water, it actually turns blue. Very magical indeed, and perfect to have in your Disney Princess Cup. Next is the beautiful Royal Breakfast Tea by Ahmed Tea. So this is a whole leaf tea, comes in beautiful silken pyramid tea bags. Absolutely beautiful. And then next, oh my God guys, I'm so excited to show you these. So for those who like the sweeter things in life, but want to be a little bit more healthy, we have here Nazani Tea Pumpkin Sugar Crystals. So I'm going to actually show you what these are. These are made out of natural pumpkins. So there you go. So much better than refined sugar, and sweeten your teas very subtly and in the most luxurious way possible. So that's the Nazani Tea's Pumpkin Sugar Crystals. And then finally guys, in the magical festivities hamper, we have a beautiful, delicious Oatie's strawberries and cream tea. So this is caffeine-free, plastic-free, gluten-free, absolutely delicious. So guys, I hope you agree that this is the most magical hamper this Christmas.